Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make a complete review on Maxpread Technologies project. Before getting into the video, guys please do like and subscribe. If you want me to review any new token, you can drop the name of the token in the comment section below. Guys, it's not financial advice, so please do your own research before start the video. If we get into their website, a new word in cryptocurrency: arbitrage. Automated arbitrage platform powered by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence for your profit. Agor's artificial intelligence was developed with the main goal of performing functions that were traditionally considered the prerogative of humans. Promote Maxpread Technologies and make a profit. All members of the Maxpread Technologies partner program receive a portion of the platform's revenue in 7 types of bonuses. About company. Maxpread Technologies is a company specializing in advanced developments in the field of blockchain and digital. Maxpread Platform. The automated platform for managing inter-exchange and peer-to-peer transactions, developed by the company, will provide you with stable profits in the volatile digital asset arbitrage market. Usability. Automation. Profitable. Technologies. Resources. Visa. MasterCard. UnionPay. Finance. Wobi. Kraken. OKX. Advantages. Each step of the system is aimed at making a profit, within the parameters laid down in it. Artificial intelligence independently analyzes the market, assesses risks and makes decisions. Full automation and exclusion of the human factor. Calculation speed up to 20,000 operations per minute. Finding and effectively using arbitrage links. Access to payment systems and crypto exchanges around the world. Instant assessment and reaction to market changes. Non-stop operation 24 hours a day. Affiliate program. Any user of the Maxpread Technologies platform who is paid for the arbitration package is entitled to receive remuneration under the affiliate program for promoting the company's products. You can see latest news on Maxpread Technologies. Products. Arbitrage platform. The Maxpread Capital platform automatically manages the investor's assets, starting with the deposit and ending with a collection of profit. Structure. Server. Processing. Payment systems. Unique control features. AI Agora. Agor's artificial intelligence was developed with the main goal of performing functions that were traditionally considered the prerogative of humans. Modules. ACR Agora Corporate Reporting. ATP Agora Transfer Pricing. AIM Agora Investment Manager. APM Agora Profit Manager. ARM Agora Risk Manager. AMRI Agora Management of Regulatory Reference Information. You can have roadmap. Stage 1. Stage 2. Stage 3. Maxpread Mission. Maxpread Technologies' mission is to give retail investors secure access to the highly profitable peer-to-peer transaction and arbitrage market for digital assets, through the use of innovative software based on artificial intelligence. Company history. Maxpread Technologies has been operating for more than 5 years and specializes in the development of unique technological solutions in the field of electronic finance, data science, blockchain and artificial intelligence. About multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is one of the most effective methods of product promotion, allowing Maxpread Technologies to generate a steady flow of users to the arbitration platform. How do I become a partner and earn with Maxpread Technologies? Become a user of the arbitration platform, activate an arbitration package and recommend Maxpread Technologies products. Listen.